Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. We are making marshmallow stuffed chocolate cookies that are sure to satisfy your cravings. So let's get started. Let's cream together some melted butter, sugar, brown sugar. Mix it until it is slightly fluffy. Now add in 1 room temperature egg. Mix it really well. Now sift in all-purpose flour, cocoa powder and some baking soda. Add some salt and mix all the dry and wet ingredients together until it forms a cookie dough. Scoop out a ball of dough, flatten it slightly and place some marshmallows in the center. Fold the dough over the marshmallow and press the sides to seal the edges. Place the stuffed cookie on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Once all the cookies are formed, you can refrigerate it for 5 to 10 minutes. Here I am adding some more marshmallows on top. Then bake it at 180 degrees preheated oven for around 10 to 11 minutes. Allow it to cool down completely on the baking tray itself, and there you go. Soft, chewy cookies filled with gooey marshmallows and chocolate. Indulge in these sweet treats and share them with your loved ones. Thanks for joining me in this cookie adventure. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more recipe videos.